I get to have another shot at the Focus RS lap time. So I'm really, really looking forward to this. Hello everyone and welcome to day 210, second part, because I filmed the first part on the way here this morning. I've managed to be first in the queue after lunch, so I should get a few sessions today. Quick rundown of the spec of the car. It's exactly as it was last time I came here, which is standard. I've got fresh brake fluid in it, but otherwise no diff, no uprated brakes, nothing. It's still a standard car, so time to, really feel the car. Turn traction off this time, which I must do now, which I only did towards the end of the last day, and unfortunately that last session got cut short because of a 911 spinning off the St Mary's. I hate this.
Yeah, I know exactly what you feel like, mate.
I don't mean I hate it, but oh, my stomach.
The first time, when I went out at Castle Coombe,
okay,
I was like, and any time now.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, we're good.
Oh yeah, I've eaten, and we've just eaten.
Yeah, we've just eaten a big lunch.
All right, okay, yeah.
We'll see how long that lasts.
I'll be all right. Just
it's going to be
tune into it.
Here we go.
Ready, 3, 2, 1. Half, quarter, 8th,
ready,
16th. Hey.
Okay.
Thank you.
And we're back at Goodwood.
Yeah, this is so weird. It's
What's weird?
I don't know. It just felt. Obviously, it moves a lot more because obviously
it does.
It's an M140, not a Focus R. It's just it doesn't feel like it knows where it's going. Obviously, you're driving it. You know exactly where it's going. But as a passenger, I'm thinking, okay, just darting into it again. Obviously, from being in your Focus to this. Obviously, I've been in it before, but. Yeah, I'm not reaching for the dash, so we're all right.
Well, I'm still.
Obviously, you're just pootling along, but.
One thing I'm going to do is I want to take a whole lap, either in 5th gear or 1 gear higher than I would normally.
Yeah.
Because I think it will help me focus on the smoothness. So like come through here in 4th instead of coming down to 3rd.
Yeah. I mean, because you got the grunt.
Yeah.
So it's not like, you'll be lacking. You do like to
I know.
inspect that for bloody micro cracks.
I know. Don't let everyone go. Remember, I got no traction. I just floored it then. I don't think I'm going to be going flat through there today.
See, this is the only bit that I have a slight.
I know. It's the one I'm least comfortable with.
I mean, you've always managed it.
Yeah.
Bit of movement there.
Yeah, it moves, doesn't it? The tyres and the brakes.
See, I'm not wondering if you should be in 4th for that entire thing, because you can just keep powering through.
Well, that's why I'm saying I potentially want to take a different gear.
Well, you're only 10 miles off from that Supra 500, because he was doing 145 down there.
Oh, really?
And you were doing 135 there.
Oh,
So-
right foot on the brake again. It's because I'm looking at him and not focused on what I should be doing.
So your entrance to that is 80 miles an hour,
Okay, that was better.
and your exit is 100. I'm just, for my own
Yeah, no,
edification,
fine.
seeing exactly what speed we're entering and exiting corners. See, so that's about 118.
Yeah, that's,
Obviously
see, that's a
increasing.
few down on the Focus.
Or leaning on it a bit there, but that's fine. She handled it. A bit of curb. So if this track was nice and flat, you
It
wouldn't
would
have
be
to.
boring.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but because it's got the undulations in it, it adds another dimension to it.
Oh, look at this.
Bloody hell! It's the M25.
Serious?
What is going on here? Right. Okay. Well, this is a first. I've never seen this before.
I guess this is the downside to being first out. You catch everyone up.
Yeah, plus maybe he's under instruction. So he might be under instruction, like, so never done a track day.
Possibly.
Which is fair enough, but
No, indeed.
that's the whole point. I know sometimes it can be a little bit, oh bloody hell, but, oh, he's really close, isn't he? That is, oh there we go, he's got hazards on
Take
now.
it.
I think is his car given up? Keep out of his way. 'Cause he's got hazards on, so I don't know if he's going to be pulling in or... He's not having a happy day there.
It looks
whatever
like
it
he's
was.
going in.
Yeah. Yeah, roughly the same. 80, 100. That one's pretty much sorted.
So squeeze all the way around.
Look at that thing go.
Yeah, rapid, isn't it?
Yeah. It should be, because obviously it's twice the money, if not more. Yeah, he's not as he's not as happy, is he? That Focus, no. See, I don't know how. Was that an ST? Or was that an RS? No,
I don't know if that's. I think it's an ST because it doesn't look like an RS.
No, it's
Spoiler.
not as fat boy, is it? No, it's an ST. So okay, he's not going to be as capable. overtaken. I don't know. Yeah, it's a shame some of these laps have been compromised. Right, come on, you've got to go now. That almost looks like a diesel amount of crap coming out the back of that. Are you going to be able to get past him? Yes. Oh, he takes a completely different line there, doesn't he? He's not getting away, is he? Which is quite nice to see. Because obviously it's the corners where, you know, straight line, yeah, obviously.
Oh, he's giving it a bit of a lift there.
Yeah. I mean, that's four-wheel drive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, obviously we're not going to have a repeat of you chasing the caterer, are we?
No, we're not. I'm focused on what I should be doing right now. Oh, he went in hot there. Yeah, look, he really had to ease off. Pushing him into a mistake. Of course, he'll tear away from it here.
Yeah, he should do, because, I mean, look. I mean, he's only using half the track. Oh, he's indicating.
Well, that's a first for me. Thanks, mate. Never had a GTR before, mate.
No, but then, so all depends on who's behind the wheel. Doesn't matter how much money a car costs and how fast it is.
Until I go across the line, because that's my measurement point on the videos. Hey, that was all right. No, I'm in, mate. I've dialed in. That was nice.
Yeah, I kept my lunch. So it was all
Header
good.
was good. Didn't get a hint of fade. The position was there, so maybe, you know, last time it was just that the
well, it's only one session, mate.
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah.
Talk about it at the end of the day, and then you'll see exactly where you are.
I know. Got to take some air out of the tyres.
What are they pressures at the moment? 39,
well, 40.
40.
They're pretty much even. So they've gained evenly.
Yeah, because obviously you've got. Mind you saying that this is biased towards right-hand turns, isn't it?
No, I know. But the thing that amazed me was that the tyres had worn evenly on both sides.
Yeah.
After the track day.
That is interesting.
It hadn't kind of put more wear on that side, not noticeably, which struck me as really odd, because it's kind of like, well, it's using its grip really evenly across the, you know, both sides of the car. Ooh, so session one, that was really good. GTR, and he wasn't hanging about, was he?
No. It's just in the corners. He didn't have it.
There you go. It's official. The M140 beats the Nissan GTR.
You saw it first here, chaps.
Yeah. Hey, there was nothing wrong with that. I'm happy. That felt. Do you know what? That, to me, felt a lot better than the first time I went out on track. And I think it's because I knew what to expect of it.
Yeah.
I wasn't trying to drive and brake like the Focus. So that was really good.